On her first visit to Delhi after the TMC's resounding victory in West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Tuesday met Congress leaders Kamal Nath and Anand Sharma amid several signals of increasing opposition unity ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. CM Banerjee is also expected to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Ramnath Kovind. Earlier in the day, NCP chief Sharad Pawar said he is likely to meet Banerjee on Wednesday. The visit comes also at a time when Parliament is in session. Banerjee has said that she intends to spend some time in the Parliament and meet opposition leaders. Krunal Pandya in Sri Lanka has tested positive for COVID-19, forcing the second T20 international between India and Sri Lanka, scheduled for today, to be postponed by a day. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, took to Twitter to reveal the news. The BCCI also added that the entire Indian contingent is undergoing RT-PCR tests to ascertain any further outbreak within the squad. The government is likely to start vaccinating children against COVID-19 by next month. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia said in a BJP parliamentary party meeting held on Tuesday. News agency ANI reported. He also said that India is on a course to become the largest vaccine-producing country as more companies will get production licenses. Earlier this month, the centre had told Delhi High Court that COVID-19 vaccines may soon be available for children between 12 and 18 years of age, and a policy on vaccinating them would be formulated after acquiring approval. Veteran journalists N. Ram and Shashi Kumar have moved the Supreme Court seeking an independent probe by its sitting or retired judges into the reports of alleged snooping by government agencies on eminent citizens, politicians and scribes by using the Israeli spyware Pegasus. The petition likely to come up for hearing within the next few days sought to investigate if the illegal hacking into the phones using the Pegasus spyware represented an attempt by agency and organizations to muzzle and chill the exercise of free speech and expression of dissent in India. Amid the escalating border tensions between the two northeastern states, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Tuesday tweeted a video of Mizoram police criticizing their behavior. In the video, the police personnel can be seen relaxing on the ground while one of them is smoking in the background. The most recent incident on Tuesday of firing, which took place between the police of the two northeastern states, comes 2 days after Home Minister Amit Shah had met the chief ministers of these states and stressed on the need to resolve interstate boundary issues.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.